Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are doing great by the grace of Almighty Allah. And after a long time, I'm making a video to improve my English. And I believe that if you watch my videos, you can improve as well. So today, I just want to share with you something simple. You don't always need a classroom to improve your English. You can learn from your surroundings, such as at the moment I'm sitting on my balcony, and as you can see that there is a small garden with a few trees, and my brother made this garden, and I actually came here to water the plants. And as you know that in Dhaka there are not many trees, and trees are really important for a healthy environment because they give us oxygen, and without oxygen it's hard to live. So I said that those who live in Dhaka, they should try to make a small garden on their balconies. That's how we can get fresh and clean air. So yeah, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum.